Hi, I'm Ryan Allen, and today we're going to go over the SteelMaster insulation package. We're going to start by going over the hardware that we provide. You'll notice steel mounting pins that the insulation will be pressed onto. It's got a pre-drilled hole here so that you can put this over the existing bolt threads, and then with the additional nuts we'll provide, you'll then fasten this on to the arch overlaps. Here we have the steel retaining washer. It's oversized, and when we apply it on to the mounting pin, it helps hold the insulation in place. 6-inch wide seam tape so that all your insulation rolls have a nice seal where one roll ends and the next begins. And circular patch tape to go over your mounting pin puncture on the insulation. This is a safety dome cap. This is an optional part that we can include in the package, and this is used to cover the pointed end of the mounting pin. This is the insulation we use. It's a premium batting insulation designed for metal buildings. Notice the diamond weave pattern here acts as a reinforcement so that the insulation is tear and abuse resistant. The underside of the insulation spun fiberglass. Here again is the abuse resistant back. We're now going to attach the mounting pin. When installing the next pin, you're going to want to go a minimum of a third bolt hole down. Depending on the rolls of insulation and the thickness, you may need to put additional pins throughout. You'll need a minimum of 2 people to do your install. So I'm going to have our construction consultant, Rich Merrill, step in and give me a hand. Rich? We're now going to take the insulation and press it onto the mounting pins. The mounting pins you see here are 12.5-inch mounting pins. This is used for insulating homes that need a high R value such as R40. What you see here is 9-inch unfaced insulation. This is the first layer that'll go on. We'll then top this with a 3-inch layer of insulation that'll have the vinyl backer on there. But for the first layer, we leave this unfinished, so then we can put the top layer on top. For installations that are going to have a finished wall on the outside, we recommend going ahead and creating a standoff so the insulation is not as compressed. We'll take a rod coupling nut with some all thread or threaded rod. We'll attach it to one of the nuts or the bolt that's already here, and then we'll take a cut of PVC and slide that over so that this way your exterior wall or furring strip can be recessed. Here you can see our furring strip that's now nutted down through that threaded rod. This will allow a customer to put drywall or whatever interior finish they want for the inside of their home.